Hi there! You can now bulk upload new assets and bulk modify existing assets. First, select an asset category, then locate the Bulk Upload button and click the drop-down arrow. To add new assets, click Add New, then click New Asset Template to download a blank Excel template. To modify existing assets, click Modify Existing. In the pop-up, first check Auto-Populate Asset Information, then click Asset Modification Template to download an Excel template pre-filled with your existing asset details. Simply make your changes to the Excel file, save your changes, then upload the updated file to apply your changes to the system. If there are any issues with the uploaded file, you'll receive an error message. You can download an exception report that specifies which assets were not added or modified and why. Please note, each asset category has a unique Excel template, and you cannot use the Excel template for one category to add or modify assets in a different category. In addition, this feature is not available for assets in the Location category. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.